know I had to roll up. Bentley trucks, Bentley trucks. Okay. Pulling up, yeah, we roll up. With the gang, with the gang. Bentley trucks, Bentley trucks. Pulling up, yeah, I had game with me. Fucking up, fucking love. We doing this shit, entertaining me. This is I don't know how I'ma feel with you. I can't fuck with no one. All I got the bros in the game with me. This is real shit, yeah, okay. Yeah, but I'm gone for the wrong. Please don't come around unless it bros. Please leave me alone unless it bros. Please.
Yo, what is going on, everybody? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Can y'all hear me? That's what I like to see. Today I'm eating oatmeal. About to get our grind in today, y'all. We're chopping in today. All right, man. What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? How we doing today? Man, everybody, make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Let's go ahead and hit that like button. So I was hoping to call out a yen, G yen, but y'all see what's going on right now. It's all good though. We gonna get somewhere. Yo, what's good, T Will? All right, y'all. So guess what? Remember yesterday I told you guys if that trade goes in our favor, what we're gonna do? We're gonna make it known. Today is the day we're gonna make it known, I guess. I mean, yesterday we made it known. I know all of us had hit that TP1 and TP2 off of this one right here. So I never updated my stats. Or have I? I don't believe so. If I did, I will correct myself. You guys, so for those that's not tapped into my Discord, make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all tap in because like I said, you know, we drop a lot of other things on there, free education too as well. So make sure y'all tap in on that. But anyway though, yeah, let's go ahead and get into some trading today. I got we got to start with dollar first and foremost. And then secondly, I already tapped in with the news, but I'm going to go ahead and share it anyway. Earlier we had news. Oh, wait. Here we go. So yeah, earlier we had some pretty crazy intense news with CAD mainly. But I mean, yeah, we got some news for US30 as well. It's going to be pretty chill from now on out. Which is like the time I like to trade. Usually I do trade during news, but sometimes I just don't. It just depends on, I guess, the reaction of the market at the time. But you know, I don't know. It just depends. You had asked, is the last signal in the group still valid? What signal? What signal we talking about? Yes, sir. Let's get that 200 likes. I think y'all talking about that Euro USD. Oh, the one that Fabian caught. Yeah, if he caught it, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Discord has been definitely going crazy. All right, guys. So let's tap in on dollar. Let me start on a higher scale because we got some different reactions going on right now. So yesterday I was telling y'all that I was looking on dollar to grab liquidity up, but the simple fact is we never did that yet, but we will be hitting that area soon. We came back in my weekly zone level again, tapped in there, and I'm just looking on it to still go up. You know, obviously we are in a heavy demand weekly kill zone level, major level, and I really just simply want to see this head up for sure, you know. So basically, if we start scaling down, let's start seeing what is really going on. Really what I see is a bunch of consolidation, like, but it's not, because we do still have a up an uptrend. Like, we do have some higher highs that's been formed. But the thing is that kind of got me a little skeptical is that this right here never passed these highs. And not only that, we're still in this demand zone level. So I don't know if we're going to go this way or this way right now, because market could react off this range and head up, but then it can react off this range and head down. Usually when we're in like a big ass zone, I don't even focus on trading it. But it's the fact that this is dollar. I need to see what dollar is doing so I know what everything else is doing. So we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see how the day is looking for us. Because I don't like forcing nothing. Let's now go into gold. Maybe we might be trading Nasdaq today, y'all. Or some indice today. Possibly. We will see. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to get back to my thing. All right, there we go. So, so if you look at gold now, let me see actually, because I think I'm in the gold trade. Yeah. I hopped in a gold trade, but I never caught this out as a signal because this was a trade I was analyzing on my phone, and I don't like really calling out too many trades through my phone. But yeah, I am in a gold trade right now. All right. So anyway, I'm looking on gold to drop for sure, right? We already tapped into our POI level, our extreme POI level, and this kind of tells me if dollar's already at its extreme demand level, which is this down here, we got to be heading up. But I don't like to trade off what I think. I like to trade off what I see. And really what I see with gold right now is that it did tap into our OB. And not only that, we do have a sideways trend going on. What the sideways trend basically means is that this is liquidity. So typically what's going to happen here is that market may tap out of it a little bit, or it could push further down, let it come up and act off this range. This is our top point right here. This is our highest swing high range, that top peak of the range, and then we're going to look for that lower peak. Let's just say the lower peak was down here. Once that is formed, and for those that don't know, when a range is formed, it's basically you're waiting on previous structure. Once that is formed, yo, what's good, Sway? Once that is formed, we're going to basically be looking for market to tap down or tap back up into some of those POI levels, and then boom. So gold for sure selling. Like, I ain't even gonna lie, sell for gold for sure. Like I said, I'm in a gold trade, but I'm gonna break even with these because I had got in a ridiculous entry. Like, my entry was somewhere over here, and I had to catch all of this drawdown. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and break even with this one. But what symbol? So let's go ahead and we're gonna go straight to indices because I just really want to see what they got going on today. While we kind of just wait on gold, ain't nothing really happening right now. unless market decides to pull back off some smaller ranges, which is really, we got a lot of consolidation right here. That's like a liquidity pool build up. Like that's just dollar signs right there. So I would definitely can understand if market taps back up and then come further down. Excuse me, then come further down because it's just like too much going on right there. So we're gonna keep our eye open on that one. Let's do straight to NAS. Before we do NAS, let's go to VTI. VTI is looking pretty choppy right now. It's trying to do a liquidity pool. It's trying to create this whole liquidity pool, which is really, if I was to draw a box or just show you guys, that's the liquidity pool right there. You know, so kind of want to see what it's doing, but I know on a higher scale, we still going up. So if we go back to Nasdaq, we see Nasdaq is dropping though. If Nasdaq is dropping, very extreme, but the VTI is still kind of consolidating. Yeah, that kind of tells me what's going on with Nasdaq for sure. So we could possibly be looking for, let me go ahead and remove this, guys. I know last week we talked about Nasdaq coming to these levels and then looking for some sales. We still got some liquidity and it just took it out. Also, we just took that liquidity out here. All this liquidity that was chilling off this area. As far as looking at it like this, liquidity is about to get taken out now. We not selling nothing right now. We not selling nothing right now. But yeah, anyway, basically what I'm looking at is Nasdaq to come in these levels, liquidity all resting here. We got a lot of liquidity resting everywhere from here to here and all of this. So yeah, I definitely see Nasdaq going down. I think we got a Nasdaq trade possibly coming. This is what I'm gonna take. Disclaimer, by the way, guys. What I do is for me. What I'm not doing is giving you guys financial advice. Read my disclaimer down below, because I know we are growing and I don't want to get in trouble, or I don't want something to happen where I will not be able to stream anymore. So disclaimer, what I do and what I say is all educational purposes, and that's it. All right, guys, so look, we got two ranges right now. I love when this happens. We got a midpoint and an extreme together. We got this going on right now. We got this. This is our top of the range. We're just waiting for the bottom of the range to finish. We don't know yet because it's still shooting down. Once a high is formed and it breaks through, that will confirm my low. That's pretty much how we can confirm an active low. All I want to see is market tap up here to this extreme off of this range from whenever this bottom low is formed, and then my midpoint from this higher range is here. So this will make perfect sense to get in. So let's put an alert here. We're gonna put an alert there. Yeah, gold is going back up to all of this liquidity that I was just telling you guys about. Because it got so much it needs to take out. It can even start from here to all of this here. So we're going to keep our eye open. I'm going to actually, since there's so much liquidity build up, I'm going to probably enter off a 5-minute time frame. We're going to see, though. We're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see whatever market's telling us. We're going to go off that. We're going to see what's going on with the gold. Nasdaq, it's dropping. There's no reason for us to be looking for if y'all getting in the sell now, there ain't no reason for that. We're going to wait on the pullback. Let it take out all this liquidity here, which it's doing now. And then US30. US30's been very stagnant for me. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Like, I swear, I just don't see much for US30. But we can still see if maybe we can catch something. We can definitely see if we can catch something. Do you think gold would take out yesterday's high, all liquidity solo? What was yesterday's high? I gotta look at it. I'll look at that in a bit to see. Give me the price point though. Caught a 5 to 5% win today trading gold using liquidity phase 1 and phase 2. Damn, that's what's up, man. So you spot the liquidity phases that we teach all the time here. Guys, by the way, if y'all catch anybody else talking about this liquidity phase 1 and phase 2, I'm telling y'all right now, trademark that joint. That's mine. Just letting you know that it's real out here, that people will snatch and rebrand it. So if y'all hear anybody else doing it, just know. Guys, before we continue, make sure, let's hit that thumbs up the video. You guys know that the thumbs up is the only way for me to know that you guys are really truthfully caring for my streams. So let's go ahead and hit the thumbs up. We got 400 people watching right now, and we only got not even 200 likes. Let's go ahead and hit that thumbs up. There we go. It don't take a lot to hit a thumbs up. We can get this to 300 likes, y'all. We can definitely get this to 300 likes. Go ahead, tap in with the thumbs up. I appreciate everybody else that's been tapping in. Let's get the thumbs up going. I'm gonna chill and eat my oatmeal. We getting there. We ain't at 300 though. You guys know I'm giving you guys as much info as I can for free. And, you know, we just got to get those thumbs up. You said, can you trade Nasdaq with $20? Nah. Definitely can't. You definitely can't. Can we take trades with you using our own risk? Yeah, that's what basically we're doing now. That's basically what we're doing now. But like I said, disclaimer, everything that I'm doing is all educational purposes. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't have a license for that. And I am not here to tell you guys what you should invest into as if I am a financial advisor. This is all educational purposes. So please keep that aware. You can trade at your own risk. I have the disclaimer down in the description too. I'm just saying this because I know we're growing and I don't want nothing to go left. And that's just real, genuine facts. We are doing all educational purposes. All right, guys. So you see gold. Let me put an alert with gold for some reaction. Because like I said, there's so much liquidity. I don't even know which part. Because we can tap in here, which we just did. We can tap anywhere in here with gold. So that's kind of unclear. But Nasdaq is very clear. Very clear to me. Nasdaq is very clear. I love seeing stuff like this because I know what's really going on. Hold the gold. US30, like I said, is choppy, but I do see some crazy nice little setups. Let me go 5 minute, 2 minute. I do see we got a range from here to here. Yeah, look how choppy this been. Hold on, guys. Let me see. I'm about to see what my risk would be if we were to do a US. If I were to do a US30 trade on this account. Yeah, so what we got going on with US30 is on the 1 hour. We are in a midpoint, right? We are in a midpoint. That's a fact. So even if I start tapping in closely into a range, I definitely see that we have a range from this swing high to this swing low right here. Our midpoint is right there. Our extreme is here. Y'all know I love for it to come to my extreme, but I'm just seeing if we could still get a trade off my midpoint. Welcome to King. Just tapping in. Currently, we are looking at US30. Yes, sir. If this stays solid, we're going to see what we can get with the 1 minute. Yeah, guys, I'm about to possibly tap in this one. If this can remain solid. Just want to see what the closure candle is going to do first. Yeah, it's still stagnant. We not, by the way, guys, I am not in US. We're not in US right now. We're not in US30. Or I'm not in US30. Looks like it want to come to extreme now. If we can get that, that's even better for me. Yeah, I'll get this trade ready for sure. All right. While we wait on that, I already know Nasdaq. Like I said, I'm waiting on Nasdaq to come up really to this level, but I see we got a lot of new ranges for it. We got this range and this range. So another point of interest would be all of this here too. And then I gotta mark this one too. Actually, no, we ain't gotta mark that one. All right, guys. So with let me put these notes in here. Mike, what's wrong with my mic? Can you not hear me? Mike, you said Mike is cutting. Is it? Hold on, y'all. Let me see something. All right, is it cutting in and out now, or does it cut in and out now when I do this, or does it cut in and out now when I do this, or is it still good when you guys see me do this, do this, do this, or do that? All right, yeah, it's something else then, y'all, because I had a couple people that said something wrong with the mic. Not cutting at all. Okay. Never cut. Okay. All right. Yeah, it's got to be with y'all internet or something. Somebody says cutting. Never had a problem. It is their internet. Mic is perfect. It's cutting. Yours was cutting for about 20 seconds. Guys, just reset the stream if it does. Somebody said get off McDonald's Wi-Fi. Y'all funny. All right, guys. So US30. Let's go back to it because I think we got something. Oh, damn, that's crazy. US30 is cutting up right now. What the fuck? All right, that's cool. We got an entry now coming. Wait on the pullback. I ain't even gonna lie anyway. I would not have entered anyway off this candle. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and say, oh, guys, we missed this, because we really did not miss this. I swear to you, we did not miss this, because my trade is I need to see bullish power, and we never got bullish power. But now it's tapping up. So I promise you guys, we did not miss anything. Look how much liquidity we got built up. You know what's crazy? I'm looking at my let me see something. Yeah, there we go. This is the liquidity that we got built up. All of this right here. It's coming for that. But I want to at least have market tap first down. Just give me a little tap. Let it create his 1 minute, 5 minute range. I want to look for that come back down and then boom. Right now I don't have a POI level besides this right here. So what we're going to do is add an alert right here. Solo with the fire analysis. Thank you. My mic is tripping. How's my mic tripping? What is going on? Hold on, y'all. My mic is tripping. What is going on with it? Mic is fine. The mic is fine. It's not, bro. In and out. I don't know, man. People saying it is. A lot of people saying it's not. All right. I have no idea what's going on. Never cut out. It's just got to be what's going on with the internet or something. All right, yeah, mic is fine, dude. I'm gonna just leave it like that. If y'all got issues with the mic, that's on y'all, cause the mic is fine. Like everything here is fine. So everybody else telling me it's fine. Sure, we having, it's 2022 now. This is the troll generation right now. So I don't know if Muggs is just trolling. But anyway, guys, we're gonna wait on US30 to tap this alert. We're gonna wait. So let me add this in the notes. All right, guys. So we got our alert. We gonna keep focus on US30, and like I said, really indices is all I'm probably looking to trade today. So Nasdaq's got to come up because we got liquidity all up here. US30's got to come up because we got this liquidity up here, but we want to try to get US30 to come down here. Let's tap into 30-second up right there. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? This is what I talk about all the time. When you can look at smaller scales, you can find levels that you would not have spotted on a higher scale. And then for all my people that trade in balance, fair value gaps, you would have also probably seen this area right there as one, and this area right there as one if you were looking at it in 1 minute. But the area that I really believe that is going to tap into is this right here, because I hit it on a smaller scale to actually look for the real facts. I'm trying to tell y'all guys, we got to keep that up. So let's go ahead and keep our eyes on this one. I want it to tap in here. It's got to tap in here. It's liquidity right here. Shit, this is liquidity all over here. But this is it that we're focusing on. And we wanted to come take these highs out, this liquidity off the 15-minute. Let me see. That's a shitty stop. That's a shitty position for me. This is a one-on-one trade, even though, wow, to these highs, it's still a one-on-one trade. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna enter right here. Then if it taps down, I'm gonna get in another entry. Damn, I can't see nothing. 3, 6, 9, 1. So with the US30, I'm currently in it, but like I said, this is my entry here. Market could definitely come back down because we still never tapped this area down here. So I was telling myself if market could come back here, I'm going to be looking on another entry once I see buying power. Once we start seeing buying power. We still talking about this mic issue. If everybody can, if majority can hear me, then it's definitely not me. It's either something with YouTube or something with y'all network. But it's definitely not me. And like everybody's saying, just reset the live stream. It will reset. Now I want to start seeing some buying power right now. I want to start seeing some buying power. I just realized that's okay. Got you. Makes sense. All right, y'all. I got another entry. Please trade FX. Yeah, if FX can move properly. Only thing I want to see is some gold, but that's not really, it's a commodity. I don't know if y'all consider that, but we got GU we'll be looking at too. Gold. Hold on, y'all. Well, let me see something. We're going to have a TP here as well. Liquidity high. And then for my other entry, my TP is here. What is it? 33631. If y'all can't get US, don't trade US. That's what. And if you want to know what risk to trade, you got to use the risk calculator that we have. Link in the description. It will tell you exactly how much you should be entering in with the current risk that you want to risk, if that makes sense. All right, y'all. TP1 about to smash on my one entry. We just smashed TP1 on my one trade. So here's my this right here is my funded account. I did not enter this one on my personal account. I just didn't have y'all know I can't operate that fast. I need to give me an EA where I can do that. If I enter one trade, it'll enter in all my other trades in my other account. But TP1 smash, bro. And we already up to TP2. So this is my second trade I'm riding out. This is how I do my risk. I would get in like 2 trades and ride it to TP2, move it to like break even or somewhere in profit. Yo, Neil, what's up, man? What's up? We already in a buy for US. You see right here, it shows our position is a buy. All right, look, if you just made profit off US30, make sure you drop the like button. Guys, we got 600 people in here. We got to get this to 400 likes. I'm not finna be giving y'all my entries while I'm entering if we can't even tap 400 likes. So if we not hitting 400 likes, I'm not finna just keep sharing this knowledge for free. Y'all can go tap in somewhere else. So let's get this to 400 likes. I appreciate everybody that is liking it and everybody that had like it. But we got too many people on here where we ain't even liking it enough. And I know we are watching right now. See, look, it was that simple. All it takes is just a little effort. It's that simple. But yeah, so I'm still riding this trade. We're gonna see what happens with this one. We're gonna see what we can get with this trade. If it comes back to my break even mark, we gonna tap in again, possibly. GU is doing sideways. These pairs are acting real slow today, except for gold. What time frame you trading on? You see it right there, watermark. That's why I got it. You see that it shows 30 seconds, 30S. It's my typical entry points. I think we caught the US30 trade off of 1 or 30 second, both actually, really. But I'm gonna be looking for another entry too. Did we caught this off the 1 minute? No, we caught this off the 30 second. Yeah, we caught the US30 trade off the 30 seconds. That's our 30-second entry. I'm gonna be looking for another entry though for US30, cause we still ain't hit these liquidities. We had hit the smaller liquidity, which is right here. Those equals. But we got other levels that we gotta tap into. Like all of this up here, especially this up here. This is our little mid long term play. Mind you, we on the 30 second, by the way, guys. Not the 30 minute. US30 is in consolidation, but this is why I like 30-second entries, because we can still make money while it's consolidating. Nasdaq is still shooting down though. Ms. V, I'm gonna share how to use the calculator. Actually, there's no tutorial out right now, but I'll share it in a bit once we figure this US30 trade out. You said you get on that NAS retracement. Be careful. You gotta know when to catch it, cause people like to just buy it now, and cause they see something that looks nice, like a double bottom. But even if I was to catch a retracement, I still make sure like it broke a minor high. So this is like 30-second right now. I'm on a 30-second trying to see entry. By the way, US30 taking off. I'm looking at it on my phone too. Damn. I was gonna re-enter, but I'm not anymore. I still got one trade floating right now, but I was gonna look for another entry. Unless it taps back down here again, but we'll see. I ain't forcing that. We're gonna look at we're gonna see if we can come to the next TP levels. Anyway, let's look at Nasdaq. Hey Ely, have you answered my question? I was about to ask you about your trading plan. What's the question you got about my trading plan? All right, guys. So with Nasdaq, we gotta first break out a high in order for us to know our range before we even start buying it, because we will be trading blindly. So let's say consider this is our range. We got to break out of that high. Once we do, then that's when I'll tap in on a 30-second. And then I'll start looking for this range. And then I'll start looking for some levels for it to come into midpoint extreme. Come down in there, give me buy signal, then buy it. That's all we're doing. All we're doing. Hey Solo, what is your trading hours in your pairs you trade? So great question. My trading hours is New York sessions mainly. It actually used to be London. So I had to change my schedule. So now it's New York session mainly, and Tokyo as well. Tokyo session as well. And then I do trade London, but like I said, I'm usually knocked out at that time while I'm trying to KO. So I usually like to trade around 7 a.m. Central Time, going up until about 11:30 a.m. Central Time. And then also, I like to, my top 3 pairs are actually gold, Nasdaq 100, and GBP yen. Those are like really my top 3 pairs, but I do have the other pairs that you guys see here. This is what we focus on too, but my top 3 are those right there for sure. Let's see if we can break out that high. Tokyo session, I like to trade it, I would say around 6 p.m. Central. It's usually sometimes before that. Some of y'all be typing stuff that I'm already doing. Check NAS, we already on NAS right now. We been on NAS. Like, y'all gotta look at my watermark. It's right there. It's right there. It says the minute time frame or it says the time frame I am on. If you go up here, you can see also what's highlighted. Let me change my notes, by the way, because so we finally broke out this high. Now that we finally broke out this high, I'm looking for market to This is when I go into 30 seconds, start looking for my range. But let's see what we get first. Totally trading. Do you have waves or are you just growing your hair out? Oh, I'm like, wait, what? No, I got locks. I just got it in a ponytail right now. I actually just got it retwisted too though, but yeah, braids basically. Yeah, I'm saying like it's locks, but it's braided though. US30 is going to slowly creep up. That's what I see happening. It's consolidating even on a 1 minute, 30 second, but it's slowly going to creep up though. You just got to have patience. That's all we need. He said, y'all tripping or what? Hit the like button. Absolutely, man. Where we at? 432. We got 600 people. We ain't even at 500 likes. You said, how do I find the levels to entry market lines? I'm guessing you asking, how do I find my entry points? First, I find out my range. That's my impulsive trend, my uptrend or downtrend. In that trend, I know there's what we call pullbacks. Those pullbacks are a green and red candle. Those are literally all the above what I'm about to mention now. When you see a green and a red candle, or when you see a pullback, that is considerably supply demand, an order block, institutional level, major key level, and everything else and above. So basically, those are the levels I'm looking for to tap into. I look for a midpoint and an extreme. My extreme is usually all the way in the bottom of the trend. Midpoint is in the middle of a trend. In Elliott wave terms, for those that trade Elliott wave, it's called wave 2 and wave 4. So that's what I see. And then when I see that, I also sometimes look for one or two things to happen. I look for something called liquidity phase, which is based off whack off. I just simplified it 20 times more. So liquidity phase, which I seen somebody tapped into that, is we got something called liquidity phase 1 and liquidity phase 2. It will take out all the sellers, and then it will take out all the buyers, and then this is where manipulation starts. That's where the sequence of manipulation starts, and everybody gets thrown off. They're like, oh, I can't I don't know how to trade, or oh man, see the market is just choppy. No, it's not choppy. It does this all the time. It's gonna take out you and your friend. Let's say your friend is selling and you buying. It's gonna take both of y'all out. One was in profit. They checked back the computer and now they're out of profit. While you was not in profit, you check back, now you in profit, but y'all both still got stopped out. That is literally what market does. That's how they get richer. So what I like to do is wait on it to grab liquidity down and up, or up and down first, and then I'm in the market. Because I'm not trying to get in that whole spin. And I'm going to show you what liquidity phase is, because I see it every second in the market. But I'm going to show you a really clear one. I think, let me do an hourly chart. So right here, that's not a clear one. Let's see. Okay, so this might be my best option of showing it. Might not. I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I see it. I got a lot. So, all right. So check this out. Oh, this is perfect. We're going to actually do right here. This is the best one right here. This was during last week, I think, when we had the crazy news. So I had said, this was last week. I had told you guys that market is going to do this liquidity phase. It's going to grab liquidity going down first. If it does, that means a longer term sell. Meaning that just be ready to sell eventually. Let it first take out the liquidity high first. Once it takes out the liquidity high, it's going to tap into a POI level from a range, which is all it is. This is my range. This is a trend. I have a trend inside of a trend, which is this is another trend. So liquidity is going to be taken out here and also here. Guess what happened? This is literally when news had hit. I was like, liquidity is going to take out. Right when it takes it out, we enter. It tapped into all of this liquidity pool right here, which I like to call an extreme point. Once it tap into the extreme point, all we simply waiting on is our setup to sell it. What is my setup? My setup is very simple. I look for a low to be formed, wait for it to break out the low, and then pull back in another range, and then I sell it. Guess what had happened on a smaller scale, if we can even see it? 2-minute time frame. What did it do? Broke out of this low. Y'all would have called this a fair value gap right here. Came in that, and then boom. Market came and broke down. That's my entry. That's how I trade 24/7. It's that simple. Same thing with Nasdaq. Nasdaq is doing the same thing where it's breaking out of these highs. It's pulling back down to these pullbacks, which I like to call my extreme midpoint. And then we're going to start looking for the up moves. By the way, guys, if you are interested in winning a free funded account with Offspring FX, you have to make sure you go to my Discord, or not Discord, my pinned comment or my pinned post that I have right there on my chat. Make sure, or it should be wherever it is on you. You go to that, follow all the rules. It's going to tell you what to do. You follow all those rules, and then we are going to be announcing the winner December 1st. It's very simple. All you doing is signing up for free with Offspring FX so we can know who's going to be the winner. And then secondly, the second thing you got to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel. And the third thing you got to do is join the Discord, which is free. US30 is extremely choppy right now. Patience is key. Nasdaq is being a little bit weird with the choppiness, so I'm gonna just wait for it to come up to these levels. Let's go into yen or GJ. Yes, this is finally doing that pullback that I wanted. We have a lot of you guys will call this maybe a wedge or inner diagonal. We got divergence too. I like seeing this. So seeing that we got divergence, that's beautiful. We can even look for buying opportunities, but I'm not buying until I get it to do my rules, which I talk about all the time, which we just talked about like a couple seconds ago. Right now, this is my range. Well, I don't know when this will end. We got to wait to see when the low is formed and when it breaks through. Because if this low was to be broken, this would have been my top range and this would have been the bottom. And I would look for market to tap into these levels right there. But we still get market to go up, so we got to wait. Patience is key, and a lot of people don't have that. And they want to know why they fail in trading. Guys, y'all keep asking me about gold. I have an alert for gold. I'm going to actually put this in the notes for those that's joining. Or do I have this? No, I don't. Okay, let me see. I mean, shoot, gold is already doing what it's supposed to do right now. So let me take this out because we already just tapping into our liquidity zone. So with gold, we're waiting on, I mean, we got so much liquidity all in here. We got to just see what's going on. I'm only going to be looking for, I'm going to put these notes for myself too.
Wonder, is it worth living now? They told me dreams come true once you live it out.
GJ, like I said, we want to wait on that pullback. Rest in peace to everybody that's want to buy because they don't know how to have patience. Guys, give me 1 second. I got to turn on this heat. Wow. While I turn on this heat, make sure you hit this to 500 likes. If we're not at 500 likes by the time I come back, we not gonna do nothing till I hit that 500. So let's go ahead and get this to 500. Like I said, this is what I know that you guys truly care for my streams. Just a simple like. That's it. All right, guys, so 500 likes, that's beautiful. All right, so US30s, like I said, choppy. Did it top TP too? Wow, it like peaked there, but it didn't really top it. Did it top it on my account? Oh, no. No, I didn't. Okay. All right, so US30 is doing this liquidity phase. What is that? As I said before, liquidity phase is if market grabs liquidity going down first, expect it eventually to come down after it takes liquidity high. Guess what? Right here. Liquidity been taken first going down. Look, we got equal. Liquidity is equal lows. It's just a pool of money. So now we wanted to tap up here with this liquidity. If we look at it this way, and when it comes up here, what levels could we actually see it tap into as far as a higher low here? Or even a mark here that I got. This is literally what's about to happen. If we can start seeing market reacting off of this level right here, off of any of these levels, off this range. Gold finally tapped into our level. We're going to look at that in a bit. But here, guys, this is what I was talking about. 30-second entries. POI level right there. That's a midpoint. A simple one-on-one trade, or we can ride it all the way up to these levels up here. You wait on buyer power, right? And then you take your buy. Guys, I know what is going on with gold. I am one human being. I'm y'all be killing me. I know what's going on with gold. Yes, it tapped into there. Yes, I know it. Just because it tapped into there don't mean we're gonna sell it. We got a lot of move to do before we sell. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. There's got so much liquidity going on from here. I gotta see what's going on. That's when I'm gonna be looking for myself. Anyway, let me go back to what I'm interested in. Nasdaq US30. Yo, what's going on, Thug? Welcome. Yeah, US30 and Nasdaq definitely does correlate, but I don't look at them to tell me my bias. I look at VTI to get my overall bias on indices. You alright? I should have waited on the break of structure and go before saying anything. My bad, bro. You good? I'm just letting people know, like, just because, you know, I put notes here and it came to it, I'm not finna just jump and be like, oh my gosh, let's sell it. Like, no, that's not how I trade. I got so much patience that I can sit here and wait, and if it don't hit, it don't hit. So when that's that, I'm gonna get in for a buy. And I'm riding that to here. And my fib plays out to midpoint here. I am not playing today. I'm only really trading my funded account. I still got my personal account, but I'm in two hefty trades right now with gold, and I can't get in any other trades right now because I did some pretty big lots. So I'm just trading my funded account right now. Yeah, I can't even spell. So we got a lot of liquidity from all of this right here. And then US30 is, like I said, it's extremely choppy. Gold, we finally, this is what I mean by, guys, this is what a low looks like. Right here. You know, when we start seeing structure actually form, that's when we can start saying, oh, let's get ready for a trade. Okay. So with gold, what do we have? So I got we doing the Nasdaq. We're doing US30. Still let me move this out. Oh no, not that one. This one. We still got these two, and then we got damn, it almost tapped that L. And then we got gold that we can possibly be looking at too. Anything and everything else. We're gonna see. Guys, look, this is a range. This is what I was talking about when I spot a range. You see a low, it's been broken. We got a midpoint range and an extreme. Or we have a midpoint, which is here, and this is considerably our extreme. So we can also see GU tap in here. So I'm only going to really be looking at currently in this here, currently still in this. And then this is another opportunity, a great opportunity that I can see as well. My phone is blowing up. Yeah, check the description, please, for the broker I use and the risk calculator. You guys are asking questions that's already out. Y'all asking if I'm in a NAS trade. Y'all see my notes right there. Y'all ask about the calculator that's in the description. Y'all just gotta read, man. Y'all just gotta read. Nah, people not really paying attention, because I swear they be asking what time frame I'm on. I mean, like, the watermark shows it right there, 30 seconds. If y'all look right up top, it shows it right here highlighted. So I'm just like, what is going on? Just read and just pay attention. If y'all on the phone, I understand. It's hard to see. I get it. But a lot of y'all can see this stuff. Y'all can see this stuff. It just be real funny when I just be like, why are we saying the same thing? Or, you know, saying the same thing when I already just said it. So GU's tapping into this right here. Wait, what? He ain't even. Oh, I see why I did that. I'm in too many trades right now. Well, at least for this account. This funded account. I can't even get another trade. Guys, this is a nice. Excuse me. This is a nice trade right here.
I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given now.
I just can't trade it. I'm still in this.
Under smoky clouds and tell myself once again I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me.
And it's tapping into all of this liquidity right here.
It's feeling different now. Feel like I'm zoned out, put my phone down, damn it's cold out. Plotting on a rollout, we took our own route, really on our own now. These them winter schemes, plotting for better dreams, cooking flows and melodies for OGs with felonies who've been locked since the.
See, with this one right here, this is a range from here to here. It tapped in our extreme, but this is also our midpoint off this bigger range. So this is why this is a good trade too. This is a one-to-one trade if we were to take it like this. And then also if you look here, let me do 5 minutes. If you look right here, that's another level of interest. So yeah, guys, that's another trade. I can't get in it though.
Never ending until you near it. A lot of shit to bear with. Sometimes you don't want to share it, but don't keep it in cause you fear it. It's an epidemic sound and you can see right where I'm headed. I'm elevated, oh yeah. We was waiting, oh yeah. To make a statement, it's clear. The way them boys persevere. Yo, we taking the stairs. Don't let them get in our air. They go watch, I'ma stare. Tell them pull up a chair. God gon' answer our prayers.
Yeah, guys, stop. I'm about to get out. I'm about to get out on NAS and look for another entry. I'm gonna look for another entry on Nasdaq. This is your explanation on market structure is brilliant. No, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. US30, you should have. I don't know where your entry was at, but we already had smash TP with that one. Technically, this is one pip away off of that TP too. Yeah, GU is another odd trade. I just couldn't get into it because I was already in Nasdaq. Yeah, guys, make sure y'all move stop loss to break even. So we took this one though. We took this one L with Nasdaq. Let me put this down. 6. Today trades. Solo Easy E in the building. Yeah, we still want to head down before we go up. So with Nasdaq, I ain't even going to get into anything until we literally just come back to these levels right here. Because otherwise, on a smaller scale, that is dead. And the same thing with US30, guys. If you were riding the other one, you should already be out. I appreciate that. Solo with the fire analysis. I appreciate that. Yeah, so we gonna run with that TP1, leave that one alone, cause otherwise Nasdaq is just super choppy. I mean, US30 is choppy. Nasdaq is dropping. Let me check VTI real fast. VTI is still in this consolidation thing. MT5 is way better than MT4 in my opinion. Thank you for the sessions. I'm learning so much while at the same time making moolah. That's what's up. That's what's up. Yeah, there's a GJ trade that you could be in too, but like I said, we took that L with that Nasdaq, so I couldn't hold that one. I will be over risking my account. And GJ is acting right though. Y'all saying MT5 does not freeze either during news. It'd be the broker that would do that. It'll usually be the broker that would do some stuff like that. Because the broker, actually, a lot of people don't know, has a little leverage where they can like fuck with people's account with stop losses and stuff. We just tapped into this negative 27 area. You switch to Thor FX, that's what's up. All right, y'all. Hey, if y'all in GJ, go ahead, cash out, cash out, cash out. Start cashing out. Cash out. Cash out. I swear to gosh, I would be cashing out right now if I had this trade. We'll be in good profit. Yo, this GJ, golly, that one played out beautiful. Go ahead, cash out, y'all. If y'all got in a GJ trade, drop the fire emoji. If y'all got in a Nasdaq trade, drop the fire emoji. We took US30 and GJW, so US30 was a W, Nasdaq was a fail. The RR is 1-1. I'm actually gonna be looking for some buys. For some sells though, with GJ. Just waiting on it to tap into the midpoint, which it just did, and we'll see from there. That's what's up. Hey, y'all, let's get this to 600 likes. We got 700 people watching. Y'all know how I go with my likes. Y'all know how I am with my likes. Let's get this to 600 likes. 600 likes, guys. I need everybody. We need 50 people to smash that like button. If you just tapping in, make sure you subscribe. If y'all getting knowledge off of this, if y'all making money off of this, hit that like button. Hit that like button. 2 W's, 1 L for the day. For me, it's 1-on-1 still. For some of us, it's 1-on-1. Some of us, it's not. I'm gonna just put waiting. We are currently waiting to see what's happening. What's happening? Let's see. First, SMC trader I see trading live. Boss, looking at the 1 hour, do you think GJ will continue up as it hit an order block? We have to see. Let's see. Do you do this live trading? How many times a week? I go live every day except for Fridays. I like to keep that with the VIP. Let's see. Monday through Thursday. Thank you for informing. On the VIPs, but we're gonna be switching it to with VIPs also because I don't trade on Fridays, but I'm gonna probably be make Mondays VIP day. Can you show me your chart color settings, please? You probably asking for my appearance, I guess, like the colors of the candles. I'll show that in a bit. I want you to create a low of the side of the 5-minute supply, then break it and create a range. Yes, Sway, you are 100% right. Me and you are thinking the exact same. Before I take any sales, that's exactly what I want to see too. Nasdaq's going up. Fuck Nasdaq right now. I'm mad at it. Fuck Nasdaq right now. I'm dead ass. That's how I feel right now. I could have been in that GJ trade while I was in this bogus Nasdaq trade. So fuck it. Like I said, I'm only going to trade Nasdaq once it comes up here to some of these levels. I'm going to let it take this liquidity out first. Otherwise, fuck it. Let's see. Why are entries on trading view so off from MetaTrader? It's because of the broker. It's because of the broker. No, I fuck with currency. I still fuck with Nasdaq. I'm just saying right now I'm not trading it because I just wanted to simply come to these levels here. This is like my true setup that I was looking for. Even though I swear to God, there was a beautiful setup in here, but it just didn't play out. It's all good. I'm gonna just wait on it to do this because right now it's doing this whole liquidity grab phase right now. On top of that, it's actually creating diversions. I can tell right now. If I pull up my RSI, I can just see diversions. Yep. We just creating diversions. So I'm gonna wait on it to grab all this liquidity out because they already took out all of this liquidity and it still is taking all this liquidity here. So yeah, we're gonna see what's up with that. You asking for my candles? Yeah. Oh, the settings for that? That's right here. My appearance. My appearance is gray off white, and I got my color. This is my solar network color, blue and black. It's that simple. Hey, I be teaching off USDZAR with market structure. Market structure with USDZAR is beautiful. Yeah, guys. So with Nasdaq, we waiting on that one to grab liquidity. Otherwise, I'm not taking anything right now. US30, we not paying no attention to it right now. It's just the most choppiest shit ever. I do still see it taking liquidity out, but it's just too choppy. Gold is still heading up, grabbing all other liquidities up here. So we don't have anything for that yet, except for buys. But the thing about the buys is that I will be buying, but we just got so much liquidity up here. It's just kind of like, where would it end? You know, if it was more clear, I would have definitely been like, oh yeah, we can definitely be buying it. But yeah, for sure, I will be looking for buys because we got range there, range here too.
Know that you a target and gotta finish what you started. Life of being an artist, gotta show them where your heart is. All in, keep
see.
balling, keep going, don't stall it.
Hey, if for anybody that keeps spamming my, I'm gonna just let you know, if you keep spamming my my chat, I'm gonna remove you, and you will never see my channel. So let's start with the buy NAS, buy NAS, buy NAS. I'm gonna give you one more time. Make you a mod. I'm just saying, I'll be quick to take somebody out. Keep spamming down fucking chat. We waiting on a NAS retracement. I'm not buying it or selling it until it comes to. I'm gonna actually put it in the notes. We can see a new range now. After this all had formed.
God gon' answer our prayers. Living now. They told me dreams come true once you live it out. I picked up pieces from my childhood in a broken house and heal my soul from the trauma we've been given now. I hear the whispers in the wind under smoky clouds and tell myself once again I'ma work it out. So much shit can happen, yo, it got me tripping now. Yeah, it's feeling different now. I wonder if it's worth living now.
I'm sitting on my hands waiting on NAS right now. Yeah, it's about to start retracing, but just be careful though. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's in doing a in a diagonal phase. But besides that though, we can talk about GJ for that sell like I was anticipating originally. Reason why I'm interested in the sell is because on a higher scale, we are consolidating. All right, we are doing this and this. But when we start scaling down, you guys see lows is broken. This low is broken. This low is broken. And then if we look, we have our range from up here to down here. So you want to keep your eyes open off that. So this is my play. I wanted to break out that low, which it already did. I wanted to pull back from a range, and then we can possibly look for some sells. I'm scoping UJ and you. Are you a swing trader? Cause there ain't no way you wait that long for a setup. If so, you gotta be like a swing trader or an entry day trader or something. Otherwise, I don't know. That's crazy. You say you've been scoping it since 2 a.m. for your move. Damn. No, you scalping an entry? Got you. Sounds like you about to hold us. You about to enter as a scalper and hold it as a swing trader. That's what's up. I mean, that's the same play for Nasdaq too, though. I get what you're saying, though. Nah, I get what you're saying. It'll be the same for Nasdaq because I'm waiting on this setup too. But the thing is though, if it start forming new highs or new lows, then I have to switch my bias, and then the new setup would be here, because that's just it's called adjusting yourself with structure. That's basically what I'm getting at. A lot of people will be waiting on their setup like all the way up here, and then market would be all the way down here, like down here, and by the time it gets up here, it's a whole new reaction of market. So that's what I mean. Like, also we gotta also sometimes adjust our bias, mental bias for stuff too, because that's important. Like, for instance, right here, last week we had the same setup where originally we had we wanted market to tap in here, but we noticed it created a new range from here to here, and then we seen a reaction off here, and then we reacted off it, and then it smashed TP. So you got to learn how to adjust. That's the hardest part of trading, adjusting your analysis, and you already did so much for it. I'm gonna tell you right now, stop loss does not matter. I don't care if you got a 20 pip, 100 pip, a 500 pip stop loss. That don't mean nothing. It's your risk percentage. Thank you. For everybody that understands that, drop a fire emoji. For everybody that understands, trading is not about how many pips you are from entry. It's about your risk percent. Because I'm gonna give y'all a prime example to show all those that don't understand that. We got this calculator right here. I'm about to show you guys one thing while we're waiting on the trade, by the way, guys. Let's say that we have a GJ trade, right? I'm gonna just prove you guys wrong. And we got a stop loss, about 50 pips all the way here, right? And we got a one-on-one trade. We always lease one-on-one trade, right? And everybody's like, oh, this is ridiculous. I would never trade this. This is poor risk management. How do you know that? When you don't even know what they're risking. That's for one. That's when I know there's a noob trader. That's when I know there's a wannabe or a noob trader that will hit me with that. There's a bunch of traders do that all the time. Let's say we got a $10,000 account. Leverage is 500. Let's say now we want to do a 1% risk. We want to do a Forex pair, and we're looking for a GJ. So by the way, guys, y'all also seeing how this calculator is working. We put our entry point there. We put our profit here. Says it's 61 pips out. Stop loss should be about the same, 61, and we're looking to short it. It's gonna tell us right there what lot size we should be entering in. We should be doing a 0.22 to risk 1%. But somebody else would be like, oh, that's stupid, I would never do that. Okay, that's because you're probably trying to risk 40% or 30%, no, or not even that. Maybe you're trying to risk 80%, not even knowing you're risking 80%. That's what you should be doing. Now, if I were to put my stop loss further down more, that's different. So, guys, that's what I'm trying to tell you. It's about risk percentage. It's not about the pips. That means nothing. Ooh, GJ is a little tricky right now. Hold on. %, any percent is cool. You just gotta know what you're doing. Hell, I got the account to 40, my account to 15K right now. I mean 14K right now, and I was risking like 10 to 15%. But on my funded account, I can't do that. My funded account, I'm risking literally 1 and 2% max. See, right here is that level. We can short it right here. Stop loss above this high. One-on-one trades resting right at these lows. Can we get a 1 and 2 resting here? You know, 1 and 2 would be resting just about there. At those lows, equal lows right there. Y'all know how I feel about my midpoint. I love for it to come to extreme more than a midpoint, but we gonna see what we can get. Just waiting for it to tap up more to see. Why is it good to get a funded account? I mean, it depends on the person. What is a funded account? Someone else's money? Basically, you're trading someone else's capital. That makes sense. So, like, instead of you investing $1,000 with your own personal account, you can invest $1,000 into like a 100K account, and you can trade off that. But just keep in mind that the risk is very intense for somebody that doesn't understand risk management. So when you get into a funded account or a prop firm and you're like, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and invest $1,000, they got rules where you cannot have no more than 5% drawdown, meaning that if there's a trade right now that you're trading and you're trying to hold it out because you know you got 100K in your account, it's not even gonna let you go past 5% of that. So technically, when you really think about it, you're really trading. If it was a personal account when you wanted to risk it all, you're basically trading really 10% of that. So about, like, it could depend. It could be anywhere from 1,000 to 10,000. So it's just all a mental thing. It's really what works best for you. It's all about risk. Trading is all about risk. At the end of the day, it's all about risk. You can have the most shittiest trading strategy in history, but if your risk is properly set, you set. That's why we have this risk rule where once the trade goes 1-on-1, we either can take out all. It don't matter because it was a good trade, because it's a 1-on-1 trade. We can either take out all or we can take out some. Whatever you do, once it gets to 1-on-1, you make that trade risk-free. Risk-free is from taking it all, taking half, moving your stop loss to break even, and ride to the other part. That is a risk-free trade. And that's all we do here. That's all we do here. The name of the calculator is link in the description. Oh no, I'm not in GJ right now. It's in the description. Should be in the description. Yep, it's in the description. Risk position calculator I use. Yeah, when you get in a funded account, be very careful. I actually created my trading plan off my funded account and my risk management setup. Like, I never had a proper risk management until I took my very first FTMO. I realized how important risk was. I swear to gosh, I didn't realize how important risk were until I took my first FTMO challenge. I failed it 3 times. And then I told myself, you know what? Let me create a trading plan. Let me create a proper risk. I was telling myself in my head, like, this is what I'm going to do. I sat there and wrote it down. And when I wrote all this down, a trading plan, a risk management plan, I passed. But then I end up losing it because I did, once again, over risk my account. So I got my 10K account with Offspring FX, and I'm cool with that. I don't really care for funded accounts. That's why I just don't care for spending too much money, because y'all see what we got going on with my $4,000 account. Now, if I was to put that $4,000 account in a funded account, yeah, I would probably invest into a 500K, but that's stupid in my opinion. I don't need to do all that. Just get you a nice little 100K account or 50K account and call it a day. If you stick to a 1 to 2%, if you stick to a 4% with a 100K account, man, you're solid. You're making about $4,000 a month. And that's nothing. I just know for me, I don't feel too like, it's like somebody's watching over your shoulder. Let's say you got your boss watching over your shoulder all the time while you working. That's how I feel when I trade a funded account. That's always how I feel when I trade a funded account. Even though I got like 700 people watching me live trade live, it's just still different. I don't know. It's just different. But every time I trade a funded account, I feel like that. And that's why I just said, fuck it, I'm about to do my own thing. And it's been a blessing since. We currently waiting on GJ right now. I'm just waiting to see a break of structure now. I would want it to come up more, but it's because of this whole candle right here is an order block. Also, this can be seen as a supply as well. Offspring FX, like I said, you want to sign up Offspring FX if you want a free funded account. Excuse me, if you want a free funded account, check out that link in the chat. That's pinned. Follow the rules, and you can go ahead and get that. Offspring. What? Offspring. Oh, I see. It's Offspring. You said, yeah, I'm on a I have wait, Sway, what'd you say? It's gotta break the 1 minute trend line, but it's wicking from it's going up. Yeah, I'm looking on this is why I didn't tap in yet, because I knew it was gonna do something like this, because it's like all of this right here. I'm trying to see what's gonna happen. That's why I didn't tap in yet, because I was afraid of that, and that's exactly what we got going on. Why did I kind of have a feeling? It's just because of this whole, when I usually see like one big whole liquidity pool, it kind of makes me like, let me see what's gonna really happen. Kind of like how we felt with gold. When I was looking for a sell with gold, I was like, look at all this liquidity. We're gonna see what can happen first. But we gonna see, because at this point too, we got like other lows now. That's kind of got me like, I don't know. Let me stay on a 1 minute, because the 1 minute low is this right here. I just gotta see that be broken out, and then we can know what's going on from there. Add an alert. We about to get ready to start taking some liquidity out. After that, it's about to be game over. When we start taking this liquidity out, I'm looking for it to come to these highs. So y'all see, all right. So y'all see all of this right here, right? All of this right here is, like I said, liquidity. We got a lot of it built up. And it's just kind of like what will happen is that we can see it grab it, pull back, and then shoot down. That's my bigger picture for gold. And then ultimately, we got so much liquidity here. It's just kind of like, what are we really going to do? Are we going to go up still or go down now? And we won't know until this low is being breaking off. And then we will be like, all right, cool. We have a more biased understanding of what's going on. We need more Forex rappers making music. Yeah, for sure. It's going up just because, like I said earlier, this point right here is what kind of got me like, I don't think I want to sell it. I'm not in the sell, by the way, because I know a lot of y'all gonna be like, are you selling it right now? After I said I wasn't selling it multiple times, I'm not selling it. It's just simply, we can still tap up more. And what's really interesting about this one is that we have a midpoint, but we do got all of this as our extreme up here. And we can even come all the way up here too. So just be cautious. Yeah, if y'all know any other people out there that do music that trades Forex very faithfully and heavily, drop their name so I can check them out. I need all y'all to drop y'all stage names. If you do music, drop your stage name. And you trade Forex faithfully, or if you know somebody that does, drop the stage name. I'm definitely gonna check y'all out. Or check them out. Everyone makes music, but the question is, are you good? That's a fact. This is what I wanted it to do earlier. I see that it's choppy going up. I don't even know why I'm looking at that US30 right now. US30 has been super choppy for the whole week. You talking about the Ichimoku system? It's not. I don't really use a lot of indicators like that anymore. It's just I guess I would say I'm involved in a way where I can like see market differently. But I know I talk about it in my course, which that's why I'm updating my course for those that's tapped into my course. There's a whole new section that's coming out of like what I've been talking about live stream. It's gonna just be way more detailed. First time on my live tapping in. That's what's up. Welcome. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Somebody said you hitting stop long, but right, nobody never had enter in GJ. What is going on? Nobody never entered in GJ. Talking about 2 losses. We don't have 2 losses. Nobody had never entered in GJ. What the heck? This is how I know y'all not paying attention. It really get to envy you too much that you don't know some. Gotta sow some. Low some. Let it go some. Your hair right, your body tight, cool. You guys gotta read. It says waiting on GJ to cross on 6.5 before selling. I even said that I'm suspicious on this trade because I wanted to get in here earlier, but I just had a feeling that it was gonna tap up more. And that's exactly what it's doing. You came out of the trenches, you made them really seen it. They pocket watching you every time they really need it. Know how you get, yeah, you did them all. Bully on that bitch, but time barely move. Boss life shit, yeah, you time to really tune. So yeah, we just patiently trying to see what's going on with DJ. Otherwise, ain't nothing happening. It really get to envy you too much that you don't know some. Gotta sow some. Really, because it's really because of dollar right now. Like dollar is so choppy in my honest opinion. Dollar's just extremely choppy right now. It ain't doing much, but going up and then going all the way down, going all the way up and then going all the way down. But it's in my demand zone. On a higher scale, I see hella opportunity for buy for dollar, which means gold should be dropping. GU should be dropping, Euro should be dropping, and saying all of that, we are already tapped into my extreme points on EU, GU. We already tapped into a lot of the points too, and then gold, we already tapped into my extreme point too. So it's just really waiting patiently. Now that we crossed this low here, now we got something happening with gold. What's the name of this song? The song that you just heard was called Safe Switch. It's not out yet. This song that's playing right now is a song that what is this called? I don't even know. Set It Free. It ain't gon' hurt, I know I gotta do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free.
Set it free, set it free. Always in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your set it free, set it free. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free.
No, if I'm good. If it's my music, I'm good. I get it copyright. I mean, I get it disputed. Like I said, I win all the time because it's my own. No matter what, they gonna always hit me with a strike, even if I show the credits. So it's all good. Don't forget to drink water. Damn, man, why you have to say that, Mr. B? Now you got me feeling thirsty. Now you really got me thirsty over here. I'm about to go ahead and sip on that core water. Y'all go dropping, man. This is what we want. It definitely just set this joint free. Look at that drop. What dollar doing? Oh wow, dollar is moving up too. Gold is doing more aggressive moves though. And I think gold itself is dropping. Or regardless, it's gonna do it regardless because this is still US. So kind of like pointless. Got me in my feelings, I'm about to do it. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I'm looking for long-term sales with Nasdaq too, guys, because the overall trend is that we're going down. We talk about this all the time. Overall trend is we're going down. This is our range. This is my extreme to midpoint. Look at that wick rejection, tap perfectly in there. We also grabbed liquidity. It did a liquidity phase. We grabbed liquidity. So now if I tap in on a smaller scale, you see that we just broke out of these lows. Now we're pulling back, and we can either pull back further up more, which is really here possibly, or we can also start reacting off the smaller scale ranges that we're getting now. You guys see that we're let's do a liquidity like this. All of this is the liquidity that I see. Now this right here is what I like to call a perfect setup for my setup. Like a perfect reaction for my setup. Will I trade in December? Barely. For those that's tapping into my my streams, make sure you subscribe and also make sure you hit that like button. Guys, let's get this to 700 likes. I know we got newcomers in here. Let's get this to 700 likes. Get this 700 likes, I'll share my playlist. And then on top of that, obviously, I'm gonna keep dropping gems. Yeah, I know it is loud on my headphones. Let me turn it down. Let's get this to 700 likes. I know we got a lot of new people in here tapping in. 2 wins, 1 L for the day. Damn, I got haters. What the haters doing? Oh, you talking about the like? I got haters watching. Y'all go ahead and hit that like button. Let's get to 700 likes. I do have a VIP group. It is my Discord. All of that link is down below. You think you're gonna have to just exit out the Discord? Come back and exit out the Discord. I mean, come back and exit out the live stream. I trade in December, just not as much. So if y'all want to really tap into my tunes that I got playing right now, here's the link. And right now what's playing is called Smoke. I'm waiting until we get to 700 likes. And guys, if you aren't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Go ahead and shout me out. Make sure you guys shout me out. Drop your Instagram or follow me on Instagram. You don't even necessarily drop your Instagram, but follow me on Instagram. Guys, so now what is going on with GJ is that I see it heading more further up. We're going to just be cautious of this and wait. I rather want it to tap up to my extreme point up here, which I don't think that will happen until later. I don't care for US30. Gold, only setups I see for gold is now we got to wait on the pullback. I'm still in I'm in gold right now on my account. Like I'm literally riding gold. I've been riding gold for the past 2 days. Like I guess I took an intraday trade. Really about to turn it to a swing trade the way it's playing. Currently, guys, I haven't shown you. I don't think I've shown this yet. This right here is the account that I've been working on since I started the stream, which was about 2 weeks ago. We started with 4,000, trying to get it up to 40K. Right now we're doing pretty good, and my plan is just to keep it up. Also, I'm trading my funded account through my phone too as well, so you guys see that. We were up, but now we up by only like $47 on the account right now, on my funded account. Right, guys, this is all educational. This is not signal. This is not a signal gem. If you guys, whatever you hear me say that I'm entering, you can go in your own favor and do what you want. Or if I be like, I will enter in this, but I can't because I'm in another trade, y'all can do and take it at your own risk. Disclaimer. I am a full-time trader, yes. Finally, gold is dropping. Y'all, we hit 700 likes. I appreciate everyone that hit that like button. Let's not stop, though. We can definitely keep it going. Can anybody tell us what's our overall win ratio right now? Percentage wise? It's so cold in this house, but I keep my heat up at like 78 and it's still cold. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be keeping our eye on gold. Your community's going up. Yeah, for sure. Definitely is. Somebody just passed their 100K challenge. D Summers, that's what's up. Congrats.
Sometimes I gotta let this one go. Sometimes I gotta let my feelings go. And I've been tripping hard. And I've been thinking too long. I know I've been tripping. Got in the moment. Got in your feelings. Damn girl, I miss it. Holding a pistol. In case they start tripping. Come be my dog. I got you cool if you let me whip it. I heard you doing things, I know I'm tripping.
I think we got like a 72.5% win ratio right now overall. And I'm telling y'all, like, when I really look into it, like 70, 73 is usually like my, if I was to do a whole year, that's like where I'm at. And this year, actually last year was probably like almost a 69. This year, I know I got better with the way I trade, my patience, how I'm looking at market, analyzing everything. We're not talking about how much money I made. We're talking about just like win ratios. Look at that. Damn, I didn't expect GJ to actually tap up that fast. Wow. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what we want. But also, we got to be curious, too, because it's definitely different on a 1 hour. As y'all see. Mental bias probably just about to change going up because really not even that. But as I see, guys, we got so much liquidity. Look at this. Welcome if it's your first time here. Make sure you subscribe if you guys aren't, because we go live. But look at all this liquidity build up. Right, this is my midpoint. My extreme, though, I always like market to come to my extreme. It's all the way up here, and we got liquidity. We just did a liquidity phase. I just realized we just did a liquidity phase. Let's stop real fast. Excuse me. Let's stop real fast. Mental bias and my actual bias just shifted. Why? Because now, as we are looking back on a higher scale, market adjusted. This is why it's so important for us to understand we got to adapt with market. A lot of y'all get stuck in y'all want a trade to happen, be 5 days later, y'all see it happen and it goes completely left. That's because market adjusted a different way. So now if we look here, market basically did a liquidity phase and it's doing it and it's going to do it. We just like Nasdaq, I said earlier, it's going to do a liquidity phase. It did it, grab liquidity down here and it's grabbing it up now. But what GJ is going to do the same thing. If we go back on a 1 hour, you guys see that we got all this liquidity that just took all of that out right here. While it took this liquidity out, what else happened? It came into a POI level, an extreme level right here. Off of what range? This high to this low. That's the buy setup right there, which we got there. We took a buy. We could even roll it further, but hey, we're not being greedy. We can always re-enter. This is the beauty of scalping. What's the name of this song? This is called She Is Savage. It's actually out right now. But right here we got all this liquidity. All of this liquidity right here. It's going to take it out too. So let's go ahead and put our liquidity phase. Phase 1. Phase 2. So now that I just shift my whole bias, we are bullish. Strong bullish. I knew that, but it was kind of more sideways trend. Now I just got more of a confirmation, which gave me more confidence in this. All right, it's just going to give me more confidence. So since we are bullish, guess what? Guess what happened? We grabbed liquidity first going down, guys. I say this all the time. This is what all the traders about to get messed up at. Since we grab liquidity going down first, that means it's still going to be a downtrend. But where would it start going down? Right when we grab this liquidity. So for all my scalpers like me, we can be looking for those up moves. All right. We wait on those up moves. We wait on those up moves, and then from there we can go ahead and get our trade. Now, if you want to scalp, for all my scalpers, yes, this is an opportunity that we can start looking for scalp. But otherwise, the setup is here for anybody else that's holding that. What y'all saying in the chat? Bullish on GJ. I'm waiting on another entry take out. So will you stop trading around Christmas? Yeah, roughly around Christmas time. Nah, bearish on GJ. Yeah, it definitely is bearish. Now you see why I was waiting since 2 a.m. I got you. Nah, I got you. That makes sense. I am in the VIP. I just brought it. Hey, welcome to the VIP. Don't look at the trades you miss. There's opportunity at every point of the market. Wait for your setup. Exactly. Roger Banks even said wait on your setup. Yep. That GJ long setup's been there. Yep. We got the bag now. We need to play it. Yeah, for sure. Music choppy. Let me see. Hold on. I feel like it's still choppy. Hold up. There we go. I don't think it's choppy now. All right. So yeah, that's the play for my scalpers and for entry day and scalpers that's waiting, right? So hold on, what is this? Okay, so yeah, the bigger play is that with GJ we need to wait to see what happens in my extreme point, because like I said, guys, for anybody that trades, and I'm gonna just say this, anybody that trades it differently could see this differently. You can see this as your major key level. You keep going, look how much resistance and support has been hitting. You can call this a simple institutional level. You can call this your POI level. Like I said, POI level is simplified. I call this my extreme because of this is my range. That's my extreme range. Bigger range, this is my midpoint. So let's see what happens when it comes here. But in the meantime, while everybody else is looking for scalp moves, yeah, you got ranges from here to here. Permission to turn the calculator to app. Yeah, we definitely will be looking on turning that into app. We definitely looking to turn that to app. So guys, we got a overall GJ trade that could possibly come like that and then start shorting it. So hold on, let me add some notes. Actually, hold on, no, I know what I'm gonna do. As we need to take liquidity out as well around $166. Boom. All right, guys. I had to throw this in the Discord. Once again, guys, if you are new, make sure you subscribe, and also make sure like you also, how can I put it? Make sure you tap into the free giveaway that we're doing as well. You buying a small lot on GJ until is that good? I mean, hey, I'm not, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm telling you what I do or what I believe. I'm not gonna buy it because I want to still come off this range. Because look, if you see this high was broken from here, so this became the bottom range, and this low, if we can break that, this becomes the top. So you just look for your midpoint. You look for all liquidities resting around there right here, and all of this down here. I would rather wait on it to come to those levels first before I actually sell it or buy it. Like here and here. Do not ask for financial advice. Right, I'm not a financial advisor. Y'all not finna get me in trouble. Wait, what was that? Oh, it was gold. All right, yeah, gold. Yeah, it's about to be that dead time. Gold got so much to come up to. And it's just dollar, man. Like I said, dollar today is just, I was not expecting to really catch anything today because I was just looking at earlier while news was coming on. I'm just like, yeah. I see that we got the divergence happening. Let's see if we can get it to tap up more into our actual POIs, and then boom, we can look for some more sales. Let me go ahead and post this one. So, wait to break out that low, pull back, and then boom. You about to go on quarantine? POI stands for point of interest, which is another phrase for all of my structural strategies out there, like order block, supply, demand, key levels, institutional levels, support and resistance, all that stuff.
I'm about to do it, but when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me. I was in your set it free, set it free. But when you love something, you gotta set it free. Set it free, set it free. I was in your phone, but you wasn't texting me.
Yeah, guys, so at this point, it's kind of dry. We got our 2 L's for the day, 1 loss. This song is called Set It Free. It's kind of just not waiting on stuff to happen, but it's kind of dry right now. Of course, it's 11 o'clock. So, guys, for those that's not tapped into the Discord, I'm going to share the link again. Here's the link. I'm going to need all y'all to join right now. I will have this pinned for a bit. That is the Discord link that you guys can join. I need everybody to tap in right now. You caught the US30 and the GJ trade. That's what's up. I only caught the US30 trade because we was in that Nasdaq, which was the L. Still waiting on it to come back up here though. That's the setup. That's my setup. Otherwise, if something else changed, then this could be different. But right now, this is the setup. And I'm going to keep it like that for now. He said Nasdaq is down for the first time. And then, by the way, guys, we will be going live on the Zoom for a Tokyo session today, too. Where was the second L for today? We only had 1 L for today. It's gonna be on Zoom. So if anybody that did brought the brought the membership through YouTube, you should already have access to our Discord. Oh, the second W was GJ and US30. Yeah, if you're tapped in the Discord, yep. As long as you can see the VIP chat in the Discord, you are locked and loaded. If you cannot see the VIP chat in Discord, you gotta just hit me up. Yeah, guys, so like I said, Nasdaq, we're going to be waiting on it to tap up. Make sure you tune into the free side of Discord. I will also put this in there too. But we're going to be tapping up into that 17 or 11,760. That's the area that I'm looking on it to actually come to. So even though it's coming down, grabbing liquidity, that's what I see it doing. And then it's still coming back up to some of those levels, because we still got a lot of liquidity that needs to be grabbed up here that I know they want. Right, so you see that right here, we got the liquidities being grabbed going down. You guys know how I talk about this all the time, where it does liquidity phase, where it takes the liquidity lows, takes liquidity highs, and then it continues down. If it grabs liquidity down first, typically that means it will come to the second phase and then hit further down. So that's exactly what I see what's going on with Nasdaq right now. Hold on, I don't know what's going on with that, but yeah, and then we got that right there. All right, guys, so we're gonna put this out. Alright, guys, so we got that. Cool, guys. So yeah, all right, guys, so once again, I'm gonna sign out, because like I said, it's that time, but make sure you guys are tapped into the Discord. All right, other than that, y'all have a wonderful day. Of course, we're gonna be lit tomorrow as well. We're gonna see what we can get, and yeah, guys, I appreciate the love, support. See y'all tomorrow. Peace.
And bust on my neck and pick it going, baby. On this play, I don't play, I just brought it. I just brought it. I'm okay, I feel awesome. Yeah, pinky going, pussy wet, some like a dolphin. Got for coffee, middle finger, got your mortgage. Hey, fall up in a splash on me. Yeah, skin is glowing, acted up just like a linter. So the foreign nigga born necessary. I got that good look on me. Yeah, every time I pull up on face on, lunch phony, hundreds on, necessary. Baby, I'm just doing what is necessary. Eating so many asses, making new decisions. Call it necessary. If you talking, pull up what was necessary. And bust on my neck and pick it going, baby. How can you know how I feel? Yeah, you haven't been here for real, baby. I've been here for real. No, I'm chasing all of these M's, chasing till I break my limbs. Better my life like the Sims, shining, but these ain't no rims. I had to buy a house. Porch lights on while I got here, it feel like couch. She wanna get here every time I put my money out. So can you freeze, Barely the keys, necessary, Good look on me. Every time I pull up Faces on, none is fun. Hundreds on, necessary. Baby, I'm just doing what is necessary. Getting so many answers, making new decisions. If you're talking, pull up what was necessary. And bust on my neck and pinky glowing, baby. What? Necessary. If you talk, pull up what was necessary. Like,